This video chart presentation is SEFE Inc. SEFE is a bulletin board listed company trading our ticker SEFE. It has a somewhat limited trading history, so I scaled this into a 2-month chart. On top of scaling it into a period where it's trading a little bit more regularly, this does give a real clear view of the candles and the moving averages. And importantly, it highlights the move up over those last 3 days. It shows a key point of trying to push through the 200-day moving average. Now from the indicators, we're seeing the MACD made a sharp move. This was down here around 32 cents. Jumped all the way up to $1.25 when it started getting some more regular volume. So the MACD is going through a bit of a retracement. You can see a slight incline going on with the histogram, saying that a bullish cross could be coming again. Importantly, if that bullish cross happens, it happens while both the 12 and 26 EMAs are holding over top of zero. That's an important component to a chart remaining bullish. The jump in price came off a nice PPO ADX pinch. Right now, a pretty neutral look to the ADX, but the positive DI looks like it's going to break back up through the ADX itself, which again is a sign of bullish movement. MFI is holding up very high. Buying pressure has clearly been strong in this chart. That's reflected by the Chaikin money flow and the accumulation distribution, as shown by the spike in the AD and the Chaikin money flow moving back over top of zero, telling me that buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure. CCI riding right down the middle of the road. That's pretty neutral, but is trending upward over the last few trading sessions. Again, that's a nice look. Full stow. Momentum's coming into the play, and just as importantly, it's breaking this downtrend that it was in. Tricks. Very slow moving, triple exponentially smooth indicator, much like the MACD. Very sharp move, consolidating back some, still holding over top of zero, still in a bullish position. RSIs, since that move, holding over top of 50. That's showing bullish momentum in the chart. So the indicators look pretty nice. And now what I'd look for in the candles. Nice support level there at 75 cents. And even a little bit higher, some more comes in right around 80. Price per share closed at 87 cents. That keeps support relatively close. That's a positive thing to see, especially when compared to the upside, because there is some price per share resistance right there around 90 cents, and that's tying in with the 200-day moving average, which is registering at 88. 50 days on a nice upward path. The most bullish of charts are trending over top of the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. And with the 200-day basically flatlined, if it breaks through that resistance point, it won't take much to get that 200-day trending upward, which is the most bullish of looks in a chart. Beyond that resistance point around 88-90 cents, there'll be a little bit more probably at $1 just because it's a psychological barrier typically, but it doesn't tie into a whole lot of static resistance. Resistance won't come in again until up around $1.25. This is trying to make some new highs. And basically that can be thought of as a blue sky breakout because it will be making new highs since it began trading with some regularity. And it does offer a very substantial upside from its current price of 87 cents. So what I'll be looking for in the SEFE chart is for volume to remain strong, to take out that resistance point. And if it does make the climb, goes up here and challenges this resistance, in a perfect world, it smashes right through it on high volume. But if it does hit its head on a little bit, wants to come back, consolidate, I'll look for that higher low to be made, a new consolidation point setting up a new support level, then a rotation and a turn again to try and take out that resistance point and make the new high. Short-term chart, very nice looking, and one worth keeping an eye on from here forward to see how it performs. As always, this is merely my interpretation of the SEFE chart. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.